It warms the soul.
Mighty God Jehovah, counselor from the east.
Often it comforts the sick, old, and lonely. A visit complemented by a Christmas song or hymn at a time for good cheer. Let's go caroling. It's Christmas.
Christmas a come, me want me degede. Christmas a come, me want me degede. Not a bangle to me hand, me want me llama. Not a hat to me head, me want me llama. Not a shoes to me foot, me want me llama. Christmas a come, me want me llama. Holy, holy, holy in the name.
The idea of Christmas caroling brings to mind jolly churchgoers going door to door singing and entertaining along the way. Known as wassailing in the olden English days, it means to spread the spirit of Christmas through hymns. Research didn't prove when exactly the custom began, but it did give us the song Here We Come Our Sailing, sung as carolers wished good cheer to their neighbors in hopes of getting a gift in return.
Here we come a-wassailing among the leaves so green.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you.
This song evolved into the popular We Wish You a Merry Christmas. While the written history behind Christmas caroling is uncertain, the oral tradition is strong, passed down from generation to generation. Whether it's Deck the Halls, Joy to the World, or Santa Catch Up in a Mango Tree, carolers have long been known to bring a smile to many faces.
Shepherds watch their flocks by night or season.
Today, many caroling groups across the globe sing for charity in churches and neighborhoods. Locally, it's probably safe to say it's a dying tradition. However, several groups continue to travel by foot or by motor vehicle to warm the hearts of many. One such group is the Jamaican Folk Singers. They've been caroling consistently for more than 3 decades. The caroling venues include senior citizens' residences, assisted living residences, cancer hospices, and public places.
For us, we believe in the power of music, the healing power of music, and how it can help to lift us, give us what we need to get through.
So we decide at Christmas time to make the time to go around to a number of these establishments and sing for them to help bring a little lift to the days. And over the years, we've realized that many of them in the homes really don't even have people who visit them.
Sing the chorus, clap your hands, beat the congo, play your band, spread the news throughout the land that Jesus is born. Jesus, our Savior, is born. Breathe of man with man to dwell. Jesus, our Emmanuel. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord.
You do have the financial challenges because we do this over a period of about 3 weeks. So we on weekends and sometimes during the week we're out caroling. But for us as members of the Jamaican Folk Singers, we recognize the importance of it. So we make the sacrifice willingly to do this because it's part of what we feel is fulfillment of our purpose here. What registers with us each time, you go to some of the homes and you see some of the residents at the homes who seem like they're in a totally different world. And when you start to sing, and particularly when we start to sing the traditional carols that they might have been accustomed to when they were going to church, growing up as children and young adults, and you see either the tears or the smiles that come from that, it makes it worth it.
And here on our Carib Island, our Christmas sunbeams shine for the baby of Christmas. Shine, sunbeams, shine. And here on our Carib Island, Christmas sunbeams shine for the baby of Christmas. Shine, sunbeams, shine.
I'm a lover of music, and it's really refreshing to see the Jamaica folk singers here at Devon House. This is a true meaning of Christmas and also a revival of our cultural heritage, and it's good to know that the history lives on, and I wish them continued success in their endeavors.
So caroling of itself, it just brings just an added thing to it, just to bring the excitement along. So it's a great idea.
When I was younger, we usually go from door to door early in the morning to caroling, so it's a good tradition to maintain.
La la la, la 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 la. Then we join hands and dance around and round. Then we join hands and dance around and round. You dey rock so under a banyan tree.
Make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all ye lands. Serve the Lord with gladness. Come before his presence with singing. Know ye that the Lord, he is God. It is he that hath made us, and not we ourselves. We are his people, and the sheep of his pasture. Enter into his gates with thanksgiving, and into his courts with praise. Be thankful unto him, and bless his name. For the Lord is good, his mercy is everlasting, and his truth endureth to all generations.
New world beginning from tonight. Yay, yippee, we're gonna ride the trail. Yay, yippee, we're
Each time you're not paying full attention to the road environment, the greater your chances of getting in a crash like that. Plan routes to avoid focusing on GPS systems, prevent children from roaming in motor vehicles, turn down the volume of car stereo systems, pull off the roadway if you have to use mobile devices, do not read, watch television or eat while driving, avoid multitasking, and keep conversations with other passengers to a minimum. Whether you walk, ride or drive, avoid potentially fatal distractions.
A Jamaican Christmas dinner table isn't complete without sorrel. Watch this. For many Christians around the world, Christmas is a time when they give thanks and celebrate the birth of Jesus. In Jamaica, Christmas is also a time to eat and be merry. It is usually at this time of the year that many persons prepare a feast fit for a king for their families, usually consisting of mouth-watering foods such as rice and gungo peas, roasted chicken, ham, Christmas cake, and best of all, sorrel. Sorrel has always been a popular Caribbean drink during the Christmas season. Its unique flavor and bright red color adds to the meal experience. The calyx-covered fruits are brewed in water to make a refreshing cranberry-colored tea.